Hello everyone, so Walmart had the Sylvania SP1043 Bluetooth speaker on Black Friday special for $9.98. There's not a lot regarding this speaker besides that it's an IPX4 rechargeable Bluetooth speaker that has a 360-degree sound and auxiliary input. So is this speaker worth the $10 that you're spending it on? Without further ado, let's unbox this speaker and tear it down to see what it's made of. Out of the box, the speaker comes in this plastic packaging with the user manual and a micro USB charging cable. And here you have the Sylvania SP1043 Bluetooth speaker. For $10, I didn't expect much from this speaker, and neither should you. It feels light, cheap, and is made of cheap hard plastic with hard plastic buttons on the side with the charging and aux port on the lower bottom. On the top, there's a rubber loop to hang the speaker, and on both ends, you get these plastic end cap that look somewhat like passive radiators, but are just non-functional plastic cover. Now we have a quick sound test of the speaker before we tear it down. Listen.
Never stop, I'll get it if I want it. Gotta make to myself a promise. I won't quit, keep going till I got it. I won't give up till I'm on top.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss.
I'm changing who I am. I'm making a new plan, rearranging my life, and I won't look back ever again.
You ain't see me activated. You better hope that you never see me agitated. I think about my actions, plan them out of value.
First off, to the teardown, we can pry the grill off easily without much effort. With the grill removed, there's not much to see besides the screwdriver. Sound comes from these screwdriver, and with the cover on, it helps divert the sound around, giving you a slight effect of a 360-degree sound, but it's nothing to be amazed about. Now we will open up the speaker by removing 8 screws. And here with the plastic circle cover for each ends. I guess since these are designed to look like passive radiators, these can probably be modified with real working passive radiators to improve the sound quality of the speaker. Now we will remove the battery by removing this single screw. This is a 1200 mAh battery, and although the manufacturer didn't specify the total runtime, I was able to get up to a few hours of use with a full charge. And we will now remove the screwdriver by removing 4 screws each. These are 5 watts drivers that you typically see on no-name brands and cheaply made speaker. The sound quality is terrible, and they do distort at high volume, so don't expect to be blown away by this $10 Bluetooth speaker, because you get what you pay for. Now we can remove the charging board and motherboard. There's nothing fancy about this board besides that it's able to provide you with a working rechargeable Bluetooth audio device. And here we have the clear membranes cover and the plastic piece for the main buttons. These buttons are hard, and I find it very uncomfortable to press on. And here we have the enclosure. It's made of hard plastic and doesn't provide you with any waterproof protection whatsoever. And that's all there is to this $10 Bluetooth speaker. So is it worth the money? Well, as you can see, this speaker doesn't have much to offer besides that it works. If that's all the intention you're buying this speaker for, then for $10 you got nothing to lose. But I would not spend anything more than $10 for this speaker. If you're hoping to get a speaker that will at least provide you with some decent sound quality, then I would suggest you spend a bit more to get a better brand Bluetooth speaker such as JBL or Sony. At the end of the day, for $10, you're not getting any bang for the bucks. You are literally getting what you pay for.
Yo, no, I ain't the type to give up. If I do something, man, I do it till I get what I want. I turn a business out of nothing into something I love. I got a poker face, but honestly, I'm not one to bluff. I flip a switch, never miss, man, I always stay up. Don't let them see you, bitch, always have a plan to stay tough. This life ahead of you ain't easy, it was built to be rough. But that's what makes a personality, is tragedy, bruh. So keep your head on your shoulders, now we ain't out here moving rock.